Le thème du CIO Club avec Peter Weil du MIT tourne autour du thème de la digitalisation des entreprises. Donc la question qu'on se pose, c'était, on voit bien qu'on est à l'aube d'une nouvelle vague, un peu qui a suivi la vague Internet, de digitalisation de l'ensemble de la chaîne de valeur, les process et les produits. Et la question qui se pose, c'est quel est le rôle du CIO pour effectivement driver ou accompagner cette vague de changement.
I think there are many things happening in the world that we're in right now, in the economic changes and the way businesses are operating. We see a fantastic opportunity for companies to use technology to operate and interact with customers, employees, and the whole ecosystem around them in a fundamentally different way. It is less about very new technology, it is more about how interactions are being managed, what we know about people, their behaviors, their preferences, the locations they interact with, and therefore what are really great new value propositions, different value propositions that companies can put together.
Digitization allows us to create better information to make more strategic decisions. And I would argue that one of the core competitive advantages of any business is going to be information. All businesses are about arbitraging information, about making decisions on pricing, on where to sell products. You need information to do that. You need real-time information. We can no longer rely on gut feel and experience and intuition and emotion. They're still important, but information is real power. And you can't do it without digitization, and you can't do it without digitized processes. The CIO has to take the lead of the digitization of business because no one else will. The CIO sees across the whole company. If the CIO doesn't take the lead or at least partner in the digitization of the business, we will get silos. And those silos will not be joined up.
Ce qu'on voit, c'est que pas mal de sociétés sont lancées dans cette course. La société la plus emblématique, c'est Procter & Gamble, dont le CEO a décidé de devenir la première entreprise digitale du back-office au front-office. Et on voit bien effectivement qu'ils ont donné un rôle au CIO qui est particulier, puisque le CIO est en charge des processus et de l'ensemble des back-office au travers d'une unité qui s'appelle GBS. Mais d'autres entreprises se sont aussi lancées dans cette aventure. Des gens comme BMW qui digitalisent aussi beaucoup les produits. Des entreprises dans le retail comme 7-Eleven qui travaillent beaucoup sur l'information. Et donc on voit aujourd'hui émerger des gens qui ont vraiment décidé de faire de la digitalisation le fer de lance de leur avantage compétitif.
We believe that more and more companies have to upgrade the skills of staff in a changing world. When you think about digitization, it will mean so many different new things for companies to deal with in the interactions with their clients and customers. How to actually set up people in the best way to get that done is a key topic as we are conducting our work.